Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be unboxing my new microphone, so I'm super excited. If you're wondering why I look like a scarecrow, it's because I've been walking around in the rain all day, okay? This is the result of a very rainy day and me fighting a battle out there in the weather. Yeah. Let's dive right in. I received this very exciting package today! Yes, I actually invested in a Shure mic. Is that how you pronounce it? Shure? You know what I mean. I bought a fairly recently released mic, the Shure MV7. I read a lot of good reviews about it and I'm very excited. It's like a little sister of the other mic they released. It's actually focused on podcasting, as you can see. The price marks are very different for both of the mics. This one I bought for 240, while the other one is about £400, which is a massive difference. So yeah, without further ado, let's do a quick little unboxing. I'm very excited. It says, "Welcome to better sound." Ta-da! Let's see what's in there. God, nearly fell. Welcome to my clumsy unboxings. If you have never watched an unboxing of mine before, I'm always super clumsy. Drop everything. It just happens. Right, so first of all, it comes with a quick start guide. The MV7 is actually also a USB mic, which is why I bought it. And then also got this little card saying, "For ultimate control, download the free Shure Plus Motive Desktop app from shure.com/motive desktop." There you go. And then the mic! Here it is in all its glory. I'm now going to take it out of the box. Little screw-on ring, it seems. Little side box with the cables, I assume. Yep. Cables for days. Then I'm going to take out the part in the middle. Oh, there's some booklets as well. I'm going to test it. Ooh! Oh my god, it feels hefty, like the material is very nice. Beautiful. It also has a little touchscreen here that you can use. I'm gonna test it, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna take off my current mic. I guess I'll do a little comparison here if that helps. I'm currently using the Blue Snowball, which I have been using for years. I think I've used this mic since I was like 15, so I think it's time for an upgrade. Alright, so I just mounted the mic on and I'm ready to test it out. I've currently got an equalizer added to my mic settings, which is the presence boost, and I've also put a medium compressor on after I did some mic tests, because as you can see, this is a different day and I wanted to probably sit down and take my time to test the mic, see what settings I like best, and I think this one came out to be one of my favorites. Obviously, I'm still trying to figure it out, so if you have any tips to make the sound even better for you, please by all means let me know. I'm gonna make you listen to my second preset now, which is the auto level one, because this was a manual level one. Alright, so this is my auto level preset. I have it on bright and on far. So I don't know what's gonna sound better, but please by all means let me know what you like best and I'll continue to use that for my videos. Alright guys, I'm going to end this episode right here, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Bye guys, have a lovely day and stay safe, okay? Mwah.